Now within WordPress, the easiest way to use Schema is to install a plugin. So one that I particularly like is called All-in-One Schema Rich Snippets. And once you've installed it, potentially this is the sort of snippet you can have displayed within the search engine results. You can have extra information like the picture, like the star rating, things like that. So if I go to WordPress and just go plugins, add new, and over here if I just type in Schema and do a search for Schema, you'll find there's a number of different ones here. So this one is just simply called Schema. It's got 40,000 active installations. This one over here has 90,000 active installations. It was last updated recently, it's compatible. It's all good basically. I can click here for more information if I want to. So you can see you can get information about how this thing works. And also notice that different types of schema are supported. So for instance, you can have schema reviews, events, people, products, recipe, software application, video, and articles. So as you can see at the top here, it says, how does a rich snippet help? Well, basically, rich snippet helps in two ways, because you can have a much more interesting snippet displayed to your users. So let's say you've got a video on your page. What you can do is you can use this plugin to add extra information about the video, and Google can actually read that information, display it in the search engine results, or help it just to promote the particular page containing the video within the search results. So anyway, I'll go and install it. So I click on install. I'll now activate it. And once you've installed it, it'll take you to this page here. So as I mentioned earlier on, you do have these different items here that you can apply the rich snippets to. So you can have events, people, products, recipe, software application, video, article, and service. And they are promising more in later editions. So for instance, if you go to video here, click on the down arrow, there's various information that can be displayed. And the way you'd use this is if you go to an actual page, so let's just go to the contact us page here. Let's say this contact page contains something like a video, where it's underneath the page information here where it says configure rich snippet. You would click on the down arrow. If it contained a video, you'd select video, and from there you can enter additional information. So you kind of get the idea. This is how you sneak extra information into your web pages for Google's benefit, which may or may not be seen by the visitors depending on what you're doing and how you're doing it. But the point is Google will see it, and that's the important thing. So you can put your video title in there, your video description, a thumbnail, URLs to the video. You can put the video duration and upload date in there. So, as I said, it's a way of sneaking extra information into your pages for Google's benefit. But also, remember, Google actually helped define this this whole way of doing things. So Google actually approves of this, and providing you don't abuse it. And always, if you go back to the Google Webmaster Guidelines, remember there was a little bit in there about abusing rich snippets. Now, providing you don't abuse this, it's all good. But as always, don't abuse it and don't overuse it. And as always, make sure your title and descriptions and all the other bits and pieces, make sure they're accurate and apply to that particular video.